Up TRON TRX holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, friends. Once again I'm present with another latest update of TRX. So my friends, you will be feel very happy after watching this interesting video, so keep watch till the end, because in this video I'm going to discuss some important news and updates about the TRX, and also you will feel very happy after watching this interesting video, because in this video I'm talking about the pump of TRX. So anyways, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please, if you are new to my channel, click the subscribe button and also like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos, my friends. Let's start the video, friends, without waste any time, my friends. At this time, price of the TRON TRX in the market is 0.070684 USD dollar. That is the USD dollar price of the TRX. On the other side, if we talk about the prices of the TRX, so I know, my friends, the whole changes occurring in the file TRX from the previous last 1 week is going negative, and I'm very worrying about that. What's going on this time now, TRX? But don't worry, my friends, you have to hold. If you hold, so you will get a profit, and if you decide to sell, so you will get nothing, my friends. Remember, if you hold, you will get profit, and if you decide to sell at this time, nothing you will get, my friends. Remember. And this time the TRX is going to the moon. TRX is going to the moon, my friends. You can see here now, there's clear for everyone that at this time the TRX start pumping and they're ready for the moon. Absolutely, I'm really happy to see. And in the previous time they took a huge pump, my friends. You can see here. And now at this time fast down occur, but after a fast they would again start jumping. My friends, since I told you in my every video that there is the common procedure after this market, that after a falls there is a jump, and now this time they price fast down and now they are in the jumping mode, my friends. So I'm very happy to see this kind of change. Okay, and I want to share my pleasure with all of you, because you are all of my friends, you are all my brothers, my friends, and I want to share my pleasure with all of you. And TRX is one of my favorite coin in the market, so that is why I'm very happy to see this kind of positive change occur in the TRX, my friends. So TRX is going to the moon. Congratulations. And my prediction about TRX is 100% positive. I believe that they will make you millionaire, my friends. What is your opinion and what is your prediction about TRX? Also tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos. My friends, please don't ignore and kindly click the subscribe button now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe.